7 miles an hour. You're scratching like freaking. Stop.
Car coming down. Jesse, stop, son, stop. You're gonna hit it.
Stop.
Steer. Straighten up the wheel. Straighten up the wheel.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Straighten up the wheel.
Can you guys stop it? Stop it.
Hit the brake. Hit the brake.
The brake.
Hit the brake. Get out.
Now, carefully take your foot off the gas and slightly put a little fast on the brake. Okay.
Don't hit the track! Kelly, stop! Stop! No! No, you can't go up! Yes, I can. Oh my... Andrew! No, Kelly, stop! Just stop! I'm not! I need you to stop! Stop!
That's all right. Gently on the brake. Okay, push the brake on. Not that hard.
Stop! Right!
God.
My eyes are not open! They better be.
Better. Good job. All right. Now make them right here.
Hold on!
Oh my gosh, I'm very, very.
Driveway. Stay on the trail. Why are you going through the trees?
What was that?
Madeline.
I don't want
Here, just let it off.
I'm going to run into the curb! No! No!
You're never going to drive it.